A construct is an abstract psychological phenomenon that researchers infer from observable behaviour. Common constructs in the psychological literature include things like personality, love, aggression, intelligence, motivation, depression. Construct validity is the degree to which a study measures and manipulates the underlying elements that the researcher aims to be measuring and manipulating. Now imagine that a researcher is studying depression in university-age students. How might I measure depression? Would I measure their depression by how many friends they have or how talkative they are in social gatherings? Probably not. I would probably want to use a measure of depression with something that taps into the construct of depression. Some measures of depression, such as the Beck Depression Inventory, tend to have high construct validity. In other words, they tap into or measure depression accurately. However, using the Rosenberg self-esteem scale, which may be a reliable and valid measure of self-esteem, but it doesn't accurately measure depression. So it has a low construct validity. So if an intelligence test had perfect construct validity, then intelligence tests are measuring intelligence and nothing else. And any individual differences in IQ would be due to differences in intelligence and nothing else. In reality, this is not likely, as individual differences could be a result of motivation, educational background, cultural background, and many other things. To what extent does the NEO, a commonly used personality assessment, measure personality? And that, of course, depends on how we define personality and for what purpose. To what extent do intelligence tests measure what we call intelligence? Again, that depends on our definition and, as we'll see later, the context in which it's given or in which it's being measured in. So it may be valid for most people, but it might not be valid in particular cultural contexts. Many psychological researchers consider construct validity the most important type of validity in science because it embraces all other types of validity.